One of the dressing features is a little wire EDM machine on top of the Micro EDM milling machine that can EDM the desired shape into the electrode that we are using to make the product. Here you see the tip of the machine. And you see the small electrode sticking out. And over here you see a wire. Let's start a video to explain it more in detail. What you see is that the machine moves the electrode tip towards the wire and erodes the desired diameter into the electrode. The electrode stays centered and balanced inside the head of the machine. The orange-red colored part is the little wire EDM machine, which is placed on top of the Micro EDM milling machine. You see the wire turning, and here you see the actual dressing again. During this dressing, we bring down the electrode diameter from 0.3 mm down to 50 microns.